Hi everyone, here is my income report details for the month of June and also cumulative. So till now, how are the expenses and revenues for all my niche websites. So without any further delay, let me take you through the details. Let's get started. So here is the summary of June revenues. You can see overall it is $1,955.01 is the total revenue for the month of June. As you all know, the primary contributor is Site1. You can see here Ejoic revenues are about $1289.62, followed by Amazon. So altogether Site1 earned at about $1,868.11. That's precisely the income from Site1 alone, Site1 revenue. And then Site2, though there is no any work going on, in fact. Still now and then some sale happens, so because of that the revenue from Amazon alone for the Site2 is about $8.09, which you can see here. And then Site3 is the new entry into this revenues. Of course, last month it made one sale from Amazon, but most importantly, if you watch my video, I made created a video about 2 weeks back when I onboarded Site3 onto Ejoic, and it started making some revenues. You can see here about $14.32 from Ejoic for Site3, and it made a couple of sales on Amazon which contributed toward at about $3.10. Altogether Site3 earned about $17.42. Site4 no earnings. Site5 there is no work going on and hardly anything, any pages ranking, but still there was some item got sold through the site which earned about 17 cents, which is negligible. Site6 still it is just got launched only last month, so nothing much to talk about it with respect to revenues. And Site7 is really coming up well. This is the site that I purchased, and I also made a video about a week ago explaining the details about what exactly I did to reapply to AdSense and to get it approved, and also how also I informed that I got onboarded onto Ejoic. So now this site also started earning from Ejoic. You can see about $13.11 is the earnings from Ejoic, and also it made some decent sales in Amazon from US $42.53 and from Amazon UK about $3.71. Altogether that Site7 and $59.35. This is a new site that I bought and which I cleaned up recently, which is looking good at least for now. So I hope it will actually become stronger. So altogether if you see, so the complete revenue from all the sites is about $1,955.01. That is precisely the revenue for the month of June. Primary contributor Ejoic, you can see, is 1,317 from all the sites, followed by Amazon. So let me show you the quick screenshots. This is from Amazon. Total earnings $637.97. So if you just add up all these Amazon, you will be able to see this number, $637.97. Primarily from US 547, followed by Canada, followed by United Kingdom, UK. So these are all the earnings for all the sites. This is not exclusively for one site. And then the next item is Ejoic earnings. As you know, Site1 has been the prime major contributor. You can see at the bottom. So $1,289.62 is the earnings from Site1 alone on Ejoic, and the new entries on Ejoic are basically Site3 and Site7. Site3, you can see here, it got onboarded in the last week of May. So earnings started only in the month of June. You can see here altogether for entire month. The earnings are about $14.32, but good thing is it is slowly picking up. You can see the traffic here from last, compared to the first 15 days. If you see the recent 15 days, you can already see some upwards trend in the traffic. So I'm hoping that this will start earning more and more money as we move forward. Okay, so that's from Site3. And Site7, which is again the new site that I bought and cleanup of all the content and all that, recently onboarded. I just onboarded this site only on the 10th of June, so only 20 days of revenue. It already made about $13.11, and also this is also looking good. I published lot of content in last month or so I'm expecting that probably in next 2 to 3 months of time I should see some increase in the traffic, which should get converted into earnings as well. For now, for this month it's a $13.11. This is only for 20 days of earnings, so hopefully I think in July there will be more because it's going to be full month. So these are all the 3 major contributors with respect to revenue. So let me take you through the expenses. For the month of June, the expenses as usual, the content is the major contributor towards expenses. You can see altogether $497 is the expenses for the content. Site 1, I'm basically trying to get more and more content. I got about I think 12 articles also for site 1. And site 2, no work is going on. Site 5 also no work going on. As I made a video few weeks ago, that both these sites got hit because of the product review algorithm rolled out by Google. So I'm not intended to work on both these sites, so I left them. So no expenses. Site 3, I'm actually spending some time started publishing more content because I see now it's some upward trend because it's already about 9 months since I launched. Now I see the real trend going up. So because of that I picked up certain topics, and I'm publishing some content for the site 3. So that's what you can see the expenses here. Site 4, unfortunately my one of my writer who was writing for site 4 was not well, so though I intended to get some articles I couldn't get it. That's why you can see the expenses 0 here. Site 5, as I just said, no work going on. And site 6 is the new site. I'm heavily pushing this site. Last month I launched it. I created a video also, a launch video while launching this site, and this month I heavily pushed nearly about 30 articles or so. That's where you can see the expenses, nearly $198. And site 7, which is the newly bought site, I'm actually cleaning up and publishing some new articles onto the site, which contributed towards $126 of expenses. So those are the primary cost heads. One small change you can notice here is Ezoic premium cost is $165. If you recollect, for the month of May, till May it was about $110. What I did, I upgraded premium to $220 monthly plan. I made a video also about that. So I upgraded in the mid of month. So for first half month it was on $110 plan, and next second half I was on $220 plan. So I need to take a 50% of each, which comes at about $165. From next month onwards, Ezoic premium cost alone is going to be about $220. So if you add up all these cost heads, about $724.33. That is the total expenses for the month of June. Now let me show you the P&L sheet. Profit and loss. Revenues, as we just have seen, $1955.01, and total expenses $724.33. So net to net for this month alone, for the month of June alone, it's at $1,230.68 is the profit for this month alone. Now cumulative expenses and revenues, these are the total revenues till now, December, Jan, Feb, March, May, and till May it was $10,514.57, as you would have seen in the last month video. This month it is $1,955.01. If you add it up, it is about $12,469.58. That is precisely. So revenues perspective, for this month alone, if you see last month income report, if you have seen, it was about 1500 and plus. Now it is about 1900 and plus, about nearly 400 revenue up for this in this month alone. So altogether cumulative, there is an impact because of that also. So total revenue so far is about $12,469.58, and expenses, you can see here till May it was $9,978.38, and June, as we just saw, $724.33. If you add it up, $10,702.71 is the total expenses. You can see at the right corner, right side bottom corner. That's the total expenses till now. And how is the portfolio looking? This is the profit and loss sheet for entire portfolio till now. Total revenues $12,469.58, expenses $10,702.71. Net profit as of today $1,766.87. That's how portfolio is looking. It's in green and it started now accumulating on the profit side. It's adding up more and more money. And apart from that, if we take the average revenues of the site 1 for last 6 months, the average now has gone up little bit because every month the revenues are increasing. So average is about $1,308.13, and if I go with the 30x valuation, it comes nearly 40k, $39,243.09 to be precise, but about 40k is roughly the estimation or valuation of this site. But of course, when we actually put forward for the sale, there will be, these things may change, but on an average. So that's how portfolio is looking like, looking very positive and growing up. So I am just hoping that the other sites also will slowly start opening up and generating more and more revenues, so that the overall portfolio will basically look much more stronger in upcoming months. Okay, so those are all the details. So if you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for your time. Bye.